Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on a dish that I do that will help you in the long run. More of a fail-safe with buffalo uh, drums. Drums are the portion of leg which is the lower part of the leg. It's actually at the joint of the leg. So what I do here is I do the parboil, and I add some kosher salt to the water, and I bring them up to temperature, a light boil for about 30 minutes, and then I turn it off, and I let them cool down, and I put these in the fridge. So these are currently cold. So what I'm going to do at this point, these are thoroughly cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking them through in the pan or on the grill. They're all done for you. Okay, and you also have some beautiful stock there. You get the natural fats, and what I'm going to do is I put these in the pan. Put a few in here. Okay, you can remove the skin if you'd like. Okay, so we get a couple in there. I'm gonna do 3. And you can use your stock. Beautiful stock. You can see the collagens in there. Beautiful collagens for your hair, nails, skin, everything. And put those in there. And I use a red hot buffalo. You can do any different seasonings. Now, trying to process this video, you can cover and allow this to reheat, sort of say, on a low. Takes about 15 minutes. Or you can do this in the microwave as well, covered. So, red hot, my choice. I keep these in, a professional thing. And you just want to coat your drums. Okay. How simple is that, guys? I'm going to add a little bit of, this is after they're heated. I'm just doing this quickly for the video. A little bit of salt, pepper, if you'd like. Remember, I have salt in the bath. I call it a bath. But that's also going to create a stock for soup for you. All beneficial. Okay? And again, after they're heated, you apply your sauce, and then you turn that off until you're ready to serve. All right, guys? Enjoy your buffalo. Hope this helped you.